So here this button is to display existing intervals, means existing number ranges, and this is to create the new number range. Click on intervals to create a new number range. So these are the existing number range for vendor account groups. In each section there is a number range topic that is different. In material master, whatever number range we have created, that is different than this one. Okay, the concept is different, but number ranges are dedicated to each topic. So now once you click on this intervals button, the screen appears wherein these are all existing number ranges. So if you want to create a new number range, click on interval. On the left upper side of the screen you have a interval button. If you click on it, it will show you a small pop-up wherein you can define a new number range. So you have to enter some variable number, any variable number. Any variable you can declare. For that variable, what you do is you define the number range. First you see what are the existing number ranges available. So 1 to...
No, you mentioned MM. You mentioned MM.
This is anything. This can be anything. Not just this can be anything. Because no purpose you will get to know later why this actually this number column is used. For example, you put RR if you want. So this is the number range I am assigning to this variable. This is my variable RR, and for RR I am defining this is what is number range 200 to 210. So you click on this button, plus button, insert in the pop-up, down left in the pop-up. So our number range got inserted somewhere here. This one, RR. Okay. Now what you can do is you can define whether this number range is internal or external. There is a checkbox here, you see. There is a column EXT, and this is a checkbox type box field. If you select this, becomes an external. If you don't select, this becomes an internal. Okay, if it is external, user has to input one of the number falling between this number range while creating vendor. If it is unchecked, system only will assign number from this number range while saving the data in the vendor creation part. So now you just simply save it because you defined number range for RR variable. Okay, you save it. This message will come and you click on continue. So your number ranges are saved. Now you have created vendor account group and number range. So third step is to assign this number range to your vendor account group. So that is assign number ranges to vendor account groups. So you click here. Now you select your group. Our group is A1. Our vendor account group is A1. So now you have to enter here number range. Number range is what? Our sum 600 200 to 6000 210. This, but here we'll assign this variable RR. For this A1 vendor group, number range variable is RR. That means that number range is 60000 200 to 60000 210. And you save. Now you understood what is this variable RR. Yeah, this is account group. For this account group we are assigning number range. See, here we will not directly assign the number range, we will direct corresponding variable name. This variable name means RR having number range so and so. For example, if you see what is RR, RR is 600,200 to 600,210. This RR has this number range. So you are storing this number range in one variable first. That variable you are assigning here. This RR code can be anything. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 2-digit number. 2-digit code actually. It can be alphanumeric. So vendor account group and corresponding number range creation, and then assigning the number range to the vendor account group. This is certain data control, and we have to define now partner functions. Partner means here vendor. Why he is called partner means he associated with our business. From MM point of view, partner is vendor. But from SD point of view, sales and distribution point of view, customer is also a partner. Whoever deals with our business in SAP, that entity is called as a partner. Okay, a partner can be vendor, a partner could be a customer. For the here, partner to whom? Partner to the organization. For example, whatever the enterprise we have defined here as a Walmart, for that vendor is a partner, means business partner. Not maybe investment partner, they are the business partners because they are all part of their business. Whoever purchasing from them, they are also partners, means customers, they are also partners. So every partner, there are certain roles and functions defined in the SAP. So now based on those functions, also we can categorize the vendor account group. So for example, in one vendor account group A1, we are defining that this is not a one-time vendor account group, and these are the vendors wherein I can place an order and they will be delivering the goods. So based on these two characteristics, I create then one vendor account group. Another vendor account group I will create only for the invoice parties, means they are authorized to issue the invoice. We will not place an order to them, and we will not also receive goods from them. We receive invoice from them because in any vendor's organization, for example, vendor, he himself belongs to one company, right? So there they may maintain different addresses. For example, if you see, we place an order to supplier X in Delhi, which is present in Delhi. Okay, so they receive our order, they centrally process that order, they shift that order to local office somewhere which is there in the Chennai. So Chennai office people will process it and will deliver the goods from their office. Certainly they will also issue the invoice, but we will not pay to the supplier address which is present in Chennai. Maybe accounting department or that whatever the function of that accounting will be operated in different city, so we'll pay to them. So these are the different addresses of the same vendor because of their corporate structure. They resides in different geographical locations. So as per their organization, we create different partner functions are different addresses. In SAP, that is a partner function. In other ERPs, it is called as a supplier address and supplier address chains. Since we are discussing SAP, we will discuss about the partner functions. So partner functions are based on their roles, how they interact with a particular business organization. The roles will be created, and then based on those roles, we will categorize and then we create account group. So we have already started creating account group and we have defined it as not one-time vendor, and then we add certain partner functions to that account group. In SAP, partner functions are there already. By default, in standard SAP, SAP provided all the possible partner roles. If at all that partner functions are not meeting your criteria, you can create your own partner functions. But partner functions are already there in the standard SAP. You can use them n number of times wherever you want. Now, to create a partner functions, the menu is different, not this one. As I told you, I will show the second option to create a vendor account group. This is where you can do that. In purchasing, I selected wrong one. In the logistics general, business partners, then vendors, then control, define account groups and field selection. If you see the same menu, define account groups and field selection, there is one more here in the financial accounting.
Right.
If you see now, financial accounting, financial accounting global settings, and then accounts receivable and accounts payable, vendor master, master data, preparation for creating vendor master data, define account groups with screen layout. Here also, see, as I told you, this is from accounting point of view, okay? And the other method is from purchase point of view. In the logistics, logistics general, business partners, vendors, control, vendor account groups and field selection. Okay? So if you select, the same menu will be opened. Now same way, number range for that master data, assign the number range. So now how to define business functions, means partner roles. So that is there in the SPRO IMG materials management. In materials management, you have to go to purchasing. In purchasing, there is a partner determination. There is a partner determination menu. Partner determination. Under partner determination, you have partner roles. So here this menu is used to define the various partner roles. See, partner roles can be defined one time and you can use multiple times in any of the account group you want. So you click on this partner roles. So these are the available partner roles. Say for example, ordering address means if you include this role in our vendor account group, then that vendor is authorized to take our order. So that's the ordering address for our operations. And same vendor can play multiple roles. So he may also be a manufacturer. He can also act as a pure vendor. Bill to party. Just important one and easily understandable ones I am selecting. Ship to party, goods supplier. See, these are the, so what is the, you can ask what is the difference between this goods supplier and vendor. Someone might have created on their own partner role as a goods supplier. That's it. There is no difference between those two. You can create your own using the new entries. and the only code will be the different. This description, if you want to keep same, you can keep. In the standard one, in the standard SAP, whatever it is given, I am showing those one. Rest all will be created by the people whoever practicing on this machine. So for example, the standard ones are like ordering address, OA, a shortcut is, and then he can be a manufacturer, HR, and he can be act as a vendor, VN. He can be act as a bill to party. So like this, you have different partner roles. See, literally these are the type of functions. Under this category, you can create your own partner types. These are the different types of partner functions. No need to create all these things. This will be there in the standard SAP. We will use just to make you understand. I'm showing all these things. For us, it's only required is vendor account group creation, number range creation, and then assigning that number range to vendor account and certain partner functions. But partner functions are already there in the standard SAP. I am showing, still I am showing how to define them. So these are the different type of partner functions. So one is vendor. Under vendor, you can create n number of functions. His main activity is that partner's main activity is a vendor. So under vendor, you can create, he is a ordering vendor, he is a delivering vendor, he is a invoicing vendor. So like that you can categorize. Okay, that is the reason whatever I showed you a type of almost LI category. See, the category is LI means it's a vendor. Here this is KU. KU is what? Maybe this function is related to the customer. See, customer, KU. Because it's a bill to party. To party, the other party, we are issuing the bill. This is the end customer. So for vendor function, this is not the right one. But SAP provided all the available functions and their subcategories. See, invoice presented by whom? Invoice presented by the vendor. LI means vendor. It's a category, subcategory of that vendor. So this is how you create different partner roles. Now, how to use these partner roles in the vendor account group? Means you have to associate certain partner roles to the vendor account group so that all those partner roles will be available while creating the actual vendor. So define settings in vendor master record. We have a concept called define partner schema, assign partner schema to account group. See, what is partner schema? Partner schema is group of partner roles. I showed you here different partner roles available in the SAP system. So out of these many partner roles, you choose the partner roles whatever you want and group them. Then that group is called schema, partner schema. So what is partner schema is collection of partner roles is a partner schema, which is grouping certain partner roles. So you click on this define partner schema. So these are the available schemas. If you want to create a new schema, click on new entries, give name to that schema, any code, just partner schema 1 for Walmart, something like that. Okay, now this is our schema name. PS1 is schema, partner schema. In this schema, what are the different partner roles we are placing? So you select this line, and then double click on this folder, partner functions in procedure. See here you have to select this line. This is very important. So you have to select this line and then click on partner functions in procedure. Here you actually enter different roles for in this schema. Okay, this is enabled and you click on again new entries. This table becomes enabled. Here you actually enter whatever the roles you want to include in this schema. Ordering address. Invoice presented by. Goods supplier, manufacturer, this we have already selected. Say for example, these are the 5 roles we have selected among all the roles available in the standard SAP. So these 5 roles we are making as a schema. So we have partner roles and I have chosen selective partner roles and I have created a schema.